If we state that there are no comparison between Chinese submarine fleet and Indian submarine fleet, a truth you can never deny. The People's Liberation Army Navy Submarine Force (PLANSF) is the submarine service of the People's Liberation Army Navy, a navy once relied on old Soviets Kilo-class submarines now operating nearly 100 different types of submarines. The PLAN currently operates two classes of ballistic missile submarines with another under construction, Type 096 submarine, Type 094 submarine and Type 092 submarine are in active service. According to sources, Chinese operating 10 fully operational submarines of these classes and 10 more are under construction. China was the first Asian country and the fifth globally to successfully design, build and commission a nuclear-powered submarine. The PLAN currently has two types of nuclear-powered attack submarines in service with another, Type 095, in development phase, whereas Type 093 submarine 6 in service and 2 are under construction. China recently launched new Type 93B submarines with vertical missile tubes. Type 091 submarines are older version and 3 subs are in service. Submarine warfare is regarded as a vital part of PLAN's coastal defense doctrine. Large numbers of conventional-powered submarines have therefore been constructed and commissioned, and this force makes up the bulk of the PLAN's submarines. The PLAN currently operates 4 different classes of conventional submarines. Type 039A submarine, NATO designation Yuan class, in service. Type 039 submarine, NATO designation Song class, in service. Kilo class submarine, NATO designation Kilo class, in service. Type 035 submarine, NATO designation Ming class, in service. China has a number of dedicated submarine bases, some of which have underground facilities accessed via tunnels. This is also pertinent to mention that Chinese now have very strong industrial base and supplying conventional submarines to Pakistan and Thailand. Another milestone of Chinese submarines is AIP technology. Air-independent propulsion, AIP, or air-independent power, is any marine propulsion technology that allows a non-nuclear submarine to operate without access to atmospheric oxygen, by surfacing or using a snorkel. AIP can augment or replace the diesel-electric propulsion system of non-nuclear vessels. On the other hand, India is far behind Chinese submarine power. Indian Navy using 2 nuclear-powered submarines. These vessels are classified as strategic strike nuclear submarines by India. Total 17 diesel-electric submarines which are conventional submarines without air-independent propulsion, AIP, which restrict its operational capabilities. Indian Navy using 7 French-made Scorpion-class submarines in which AIP technology transferred from Germany. 5 submarines of the Type 209 is a range of diesel-electric attack submarines developed exclusively for export by Hauelswerk Deutsche Werft of Germany. These subs are also lacks air-independent propulsion, AIP, technology, and Indian Navy now upgrading these submarines. India for many decades relied totally on Russian technology and its local industry failed to upgrade old Russian Kilo-class submarines. Indian Navy naval force technology rallied on French and Germany technology and all subs will be joint venture with these countries. Although Indian claims that their nuclear-powered submarines are locally designed and produced, but sources denied this claim. There is no match of Indian Navy with China and China is far ahead of technology and strength.